Hey, that's pretty good.
Oh my God! Wow!
It's the biggest piece of dog shit that I have ever heard. Everyone's laughing, by the way, but it's true because everybody's heard it too.
What? What?
It was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute detail.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Good. Why, that's very good. Yes, I like that.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f is that? What is
Stop it. Get some help.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
This is just my opinion. What's yours? Let me know in the comments and hit subscribe for more. And remember, Gandalf said, when in doubt, follow your nose.